Hey guys, welcome back to Bartlett Arborist Supply. Today's video, we're just going to take a quick look at the new Cask Zenith X helmet. Before we get started and dive right in, subscribe down to the channel, hit that like button, check out the rest of our videos, let us know what you want to see and what you like, what you don't like. You know, drop it down some comments, it's always appreciated. So this right here is the new Cask Zenith X. Not a real big difference on the shell, but there is a couple differences on the inside. Most likely here with the ratcheting system, and I actually like this new ratchet system and how it comes down. I've worn it just a few times and I can already tell you this bigger lip down here is way more comfortable on the back of my head versus the old style here. So you get a small turn dial, you get the newer turn dial here on this one, so it's a little bit easier to find and reach to. You still get same buckles, chin strap and everything, still a foam padded liner on the inside. Now you don't, if you have visors and adapters and all the earmuffs, they still work as they would just like on this one, so there's no changes to that. Other than that, so that would be the new Cask Zenith X model that we do have in stock. And then it also comes with a little Cask helmet bag. It comes with a little buff and helmet cleaner and a helmet liner, so whenever your head starts to, whenever the helmet starts to smell cheesy, you know when to spray it. So visit us, bartlettman.com. You can find us on Google if you simply search Bartlett Arborist Supply, and any social media outlets that we do carry. So Facebook, Instagram, check us out.